alaikum and very good morning to all of you. I am your English teacher of class 5 from Islamia Youth Services Schools. Okay. Before starting our class, first I will give you some instructions, so kindly follow it. If there is any disconnectivity during the teaching, try to join again within 5 to 10 minutes. Don't raise hand during teaching. Ask questions at the end of the teaching. Use hand-free if you are using mobile and headphone for computer use. Take care of time for attending the class. Okay, class? There is some objectives. Today's objectives are: student should be able to learn how to read a text. Student should be able to learn how to read a text. Should be able to know the correct pronunciation of different words. Students should be able to know the correct pronunciation of different words. Students should be able to know the meaning of difficult words. Okay, and the new vocabulary relating to the content. Okay, class, this is your English active course book. Okay, I hope all of you have this book. Welcome to the new session 2020 and 2020 to 21. Okay, before you read, first I will tell you what is hobby. Do you know what is hobby? Hobby is an activity done regularly in one's leisure time for pleasure. Okay, hobby is a activity or work that someone do in their free times. Okay, for pleasure. Okay, hobby is a pursuit activity can be, and hobby can be driven by an interest. Okay, and hobby may be driven by an interest. Okay, class, hobby, what is hobby? Hobby is an activity done regularly in one's leisure time. Leisure time means free times, when you are free. Okay, you can do anything in which you have interest. Okay, that's called hobby. Okay, class, there are there are different types of hobbies. Okay, okay, there are so many people who likes to do different things in their free times, like that make a scrapbook. Some people like to make a scrapbook of anything, like pictures, like country pictures, like flags, and like information of their interest. Okay, some people like to collect things, anything, leaves, stamps, books. Okay, papers, coins, and people do that thing which in which have their interest. Okay, that's called hobby. Okay, ride bikes. Some people like to ride bikes in their free times. They love to ride bikes, ride bicycles, ride cars, like any other vehicles, and play with trains. Some people like to play with trains. They love to trains. Okay, play with dolls. Some girls, basically some girls likes to play with dolls. Okay, they loves to play with dolls, and they loves to collect collection of dolls. Okay, some people like to play cards. Okay, some people like to play cards. They love to play with the cards. They have so much fun in interest in playing cards. Okay, some people like to email friends. They love to talk with their friends. Okay, these all are the hobbies that people like to do. Everyone have different interests in their work. Okay, so people do in their free time different things in which they have interest. Some people like to watch TV, like some people like to watch news. Some people like to watch talk shows and dramas or movies. Any other in which you have interest. Okay, paint pictures. Some people likes to paint pictures. Okay, these are some more hobbies. More, do puzzles. Some people have interest in doing puzzles, solving puzzles. Okay, play games with grandpa. Some people love to play with grandpa. Okay, fly a kite. Some people have interest, and I hope many of you have interest to fly a kite. Okay, They love to see the kite flying in the sky, in the air. They have so much interest. They love when their kite are flying very far in the air. Okay, read a book. Some people have interest in reading a book, reading different types of books, storybooks and horror storybooks and different books. Okay, some people like play video games. Many of you likes, I hope, playing video games and race remote control cars. Race remote control cars races. Okay, some people have interest in racing the remote control cars. Build models. Some people have interest build models to build a models of different types of models. Okay, put on a puppet show. Okay, some people have interest in put puppet show. Okay, jump rope. Some girls love to jump a rope. Okay, these all are the hobby. Different people have different interests and different people have different types of hobby. Many of you have different hobbies. Okay, and so I hope you understand what is hobby, and there are so many types of hobby. Hobbies are basically activities or tasks or work or things that you do in your free times or that you love to do, and when you are free you will do that thing. Okay. Okay, now I will tell you some benefits of hobby. What are the benefits of hobbies? Good hobby for you physically. ठीक है? Hobby is good for you physically. Hobby keeps you fit physically. Okay? Some hobbies like physical games in which you can move, you can walk or you can run. These likes are hobbies. These are hobbies can fit your body. Okay, hobbies helps your mental health. Hobbies helps your mental health. That keeps your mental health good. Improves creativity. Okay, hobbies can improve creativity. You will do in your free time something new that will increase that will create in you creativity. Okay, reduces stress. Okay, hobbies reduces stress in your body. Okay, in your mind, that make you relax and free. Okay, strengthens your relationships. Hobbies can bound your relationships. Okay, there are so many benefits of hobbies. So improves your career. Hobbies can improve your career in future. You have many abilities to do their work like hobbies. You have to you are doing your hobbies. ठीक है, there are so many hobbies, there are so many benefits of hobbies. So all of you have some hobbies to do in your free times. Okay. Okay, do you have a hobby? And what do you like to do in your spare time? Spare time means free times. So plus I have a hobby. I love to do. I love to play games in my mobile and to read a books in my mobile. Okay, this is my hobby, and I love to watch some interesting, some beautiful places to watch. Okay, in my free times I. Okay, class, let's read. Let's read. Okay, so yeah, so class, today's your topic is unit number 1, the collector of sliced bread. Okay, the collector of sliced bread. Collector of sliced bread. Collector of sliced bread. Okay, this is a hobby of author, of the author of this poem. Okay, so class, today we will learn about some hobby. The hobby is collector of sliced bread. Okay, sliced bread collector. Okay, this is also a hobby. Okay, let's read. You can read with me. Teacher told me I should do it. Sorry, teacher told me I should do it. That's the reason I got hooked. That's the reason I got hooked. Everyone should have a hobby. Everyone should have a hobby. Saving stamps or reading books. Saving stamps or reading books. In your bedroom, choose a shelf. In your bedroom, choose a shelf. Set aside a special section. Set aside a special section. Find something you really like. Find something you really like. Find something you really like and build a specialist collection. Build a specialist collection. Okay, I did what my teacher said. I did what my teacher said. But now they say that I'm brain dead. But now I'm but now they say that I'm brain dead. I choose the thing that I love most. I choose the thing that I love most. I am the collector of sliced bread. I am the collector of sliced bread. Why should someone save sliced bread? Why should someone save sliced bread? Is it a legitimate task? Okay, is it a legitimate task? Okay, what do you do with it afterwards? What do you do? What do you do with it afterwards? Afterwards, these are questions adults ask. These are questions adults ask. Some say stamps, some say stamps, some say whales. Everyone says something, right? I said, I used to save those pocketing cards. I used to save those pocketing cards. Now I am the collector of sliced bread. Now I am the collector of sliced bread. But there is no magic in that hobby. But there is no magic in that hobby. There is no joy or bliss, they said. There is no joy or bliss, they said. How can there be happiness? How can there be happiness in collecting bits of bread? In collecting bits of bread. It's only me who knows the reason. It's only me who knows the reason. Every other hobby is duller. It's only me who knows the reason. Every other hobby is duller. After a while, what happens is, after a while, what happens is my slices magically change color. My slices magically change color. Some turn white and others green. Some turn white and others green. One turned purple, another blue. One turned purple, another blue. Some change shape and I have seen them moving round my shelving too. Moving round my shelving too. Their color patterns shift and change. Their color patterns shift and change. Every day is a new surprise. Every day is a new surprise. They even curl up at the edges and they even curl up at the edges and end up marble like the sky. End up marble like the sky. Okay, the secret colors of white loaves. The secret colors of white loaves. I keep it secret in my head for no one else on earth. For no one else on earth but me is the collector of sliced bread. Okay, class, this is very interesting poem. Now I will explain you by stanza wise this poem. Okay, let's move to first stanza. First stanza is teacher told me I should do. That's a reason I could hope. The teacher, the teacher told the author, the writer of the poem, that you should have some hobby. You should have some hobby, some work to do in your free times. Okay, class. That's the reason I got hooked. Means that's why the poet chose the to do something, to busy in something. Okay, everyone should have a hobby, saving stamps or reading books. Okay, teacher told the author that everyone in the world, everyone, I hope all of you, or everyone, you have some hobby to do in your free time. So some chose saving stamps, some chose reading books. Like before I told you some hobbies, some used to play cards, some collecting things, some used to ride bikes. Okay, play music. Okay, everyone have some hobbies. In your bedroom, choose a shelf. Teacher told the author that choose a shelf in your bedroom or in any other room, and choose a shelf and set aside a special section and make this section a special. That in this section you have to collect something. Okay, okay, class. Find something you really like and build a specialist section and choose a shelf in your bedroom and collect something in that shelf. Okay, make a specialist collection in your shelf. Okay, so the author chose to collect a sliced bread. Okay, bread sliced. Okay, I did what my teacher said, but now they say that I'm brain dead. I choose the thing that I love most. I am the collector of sliced bread. Okay, and the teacher of the order told that choose a hobby and choose a shelf in your bedroom and make a collection of something. So, author collector choose a hobby like collecting a sliced bread. But author said, I did what my teacher said, but the teacher told that I am brain dead. Brain dead means that no ability to do anything. Brain dead means no ability to do anything. Okay, but author said I chose the thing that I love most. I love most. That's why I chose a collection of sliced bread. Okay, next answer is, why should someone save sliced bread? Why should someone save sliced bread? Okay, is it a legitimate task? Author said, why should, or people ask, why should, okay, what do you do with it afterwards? These are the questions adults ask. Author, in this sense, the author said that people ask the author that why someone chose this hobby, why someone chose to save the sliced bread. Is it a legitimate task? Legitimate task means allowed by the law or rules. Okay, legitimate task. Is it a legitimate task to save the sliced bread? What do you do with it afterwards? What do you do with the sliced bread? After that, what do you do with it? Okay, these are the questions adult asked from the author. Okay, now move to next stanza. Some save stamps, some save whales. Everyone saves something, right? I said I used to save those pocketing cards. Now I'm the collector of sliced bread. In this stanza, author said that some people like to save the stamps, some people like to save the whales, and some people save everything, something that in which they have interest. Okay, okay. I used to save the those pocketing card. Someone say I want to, I love to save the pocketing card, but I love to save the collection of sliced bread. Okay, author said, I love to collect the sliced bread. Okay, next stanza is, but there is no magic in that hobby. There is no magic in that hobby. There is no joy or bliss. They said, how can there be happiness in collecting of sliced bread, in collecting bits of bread? People ask the author that there is no magic, there is no interest, there is no joy in this hobby to collect the sliced bread. What? How can you choose? Why you choose this hobby? How can there be happiness? Okay, in collecting of bits like bits of bread. People ask many questions from the author, that why you choose this hobby. There is no magic, there is no interest. What's the reason behind this? Why you choose this hobby to collect the sliced bread? It's only me. Next stanza is, it's only me who knows the reason. Every other hobby is teller. After a while, what happens is my slice magically changes color. In this stanza, author said, "It's only me who knows the reason behind this, this hobby. Because I have interest in this hobby. Every other hobby developers, every like every other people who love to do something in their free times. In their people have different hobbies and they have different interests. Okay, they love to do what they love to they do in their free times. After a while, what happens magically changes color. They Other said that I choose this because I love to see these lights to change it magically, to change their color magically. Okay, I love what happens. My slice magically change color. That's why I chose this hobby. That's why I collect sliced bread. Some turns white and others green. Some turn white and other green. One turned purple, another blue. Some changes shape, and I have seen them moving around my shelving too. Moving around my shelving too. In this stanza, the author said, I see some slices turn white, some slices turn green, some slices turn in blue color. I love to see this changing this color. Okay, some changes shape, some slides like you can see in this picture, some slides change their shape, like curled sides. I've seen them moving down by shelving. I take a round around the shelf and saw that these slides are turning in their color, changing their color. Some slides turn into white color, some slides turn into green, like fungus. Okay, like fungus, they changing their color. One turned purple, one turned blue. Their color patterns shift and change. Next stanza is, their color patterns shift and change. Every day is a new surprise. They even curl up at the edges and end up marble like the sky. In this stanza, author said that day by day, after many days, this light changes their color and their patterns. Okay, they're changing their pattern like this. They curl up sideways, and they changes color day by day in different colors, and of marble like the sky, like sky. Like in this sky there are so many colors that like this slice but changes their color in different colors. The secret colors of white loaves, I keep a secret in my head. The secret colors of white loaves, I keep a secret in my head. For no one else on earth but me is a collector of sliced bread. In this stanza, author said that the secret behind this changing the color of sliced bread, only me that know the secret behind this, and I keep the secret in my head. I don't tell anyone this secret. Why these slides were changing their color? For no one else on earth but me is a collector of slides, but and I am the collector of slides, but and I love to do in this like this, like the other. Everyone have interest in doing their hobby, in doing work, and they have interest to do something like this, like the other love to save the collector of slice bread. Okay, sliced bread. Plus, I hope you understand all the poem. Okay, what is it about? This poem is about a hobby, and one hobby is collector of sliced bread. Okay, like any other hobby, collector of stamps, collection of dolls, play cards. Okay, class. Now I will tell you some presentation of your copy. How will you present your copy? How will you make your copy presentation? Instruction. First, I will give you some instruction. Copy exercise book must be covered with transparent plastic sheet. Okay, you must be covered. You have to cover your copy or kit size books with plastic sheet, outer face sheet and inner face sheet. Outer face sheet and inner face sheet should be written properly. You have to write your outer face or inner face sheet with properly with white or black or blue permanent marker. Okay. Next, you have to outer face sheet cover your copy with transparent plastic sheet and write your name, class, roll number, subject name and school name. This is your outer face sheet, and you have to write the name of your your name and your class name, your roll number, your subject and school name. Class, I hope you understand how do you complete your inner face. You have to write your name, your father's name, your class, section, roll number, subject. Okay, subject लिखना है आपको, subject टीचर सब टीचर्स नेम, subject teachers, okay, and class teachers. And okay, class, you are now in class 5. Okay, you have to write with your blue pen. You have to use your blue pen. Okay, next you have to make your title page, and you have to make the title of first term 2021 to 2022. Okay, next you have to make the title page of unit number 1, that is the collector of sliced bread. Okay, unit number 1 is the collector of sliced bread. Like this, you have to make the title page of the unit number 1. Next, I will show you some home task. Your home task is that you have to do your work in your copy. Home task must be done in your English fair copy and learn it. All the work I will give you now, you have to write in your English fair copy and you have to learn it. This is your homework. Okay, now I will give you some homework, that is words meaning. There are some words of the poem, difficult words and their meanings. Now I will explain you some words and their meanings. Next, I will show you some question answers and general idea. Okay, these are the words you have to do in your copy. Now I will explain you some words. Words are hooked. First one is word is hooked. Hooked means get interested. Okay, get interested. Interested anything. Busy, get busy in doing anything. Hobby. Hobby means something people like to do in free times. Okay, hobby means something people like to do in free times. Specialist. Specialist means an expert in particular field, an expert to do something. Okay, like teacher of other, like the other teacher said that to make a specialist shell. Okay, to collect something. And legitimate. Legitimate class means allowed by the law or rules. Okay, legitimate means allowed by the law or rules. Happy. Okay, next word is bliss. Bliss means happiness, to find happiness in something. Pocketing cards. Pocketing cards means cards on which data recorded. Okay, pocketing cards. Pocketing cards means shelving. Shelving means collectively. Okay, shelving means collectively. Edges. Edges means corners. Next one is marbled. Marbled means pattern appearance. Okay, marbled means pattern appearance. Next one is collector. Collector means a person who collect something or things. Next one is loaves. Loaves means sliced bread. Okay, these are the words meaning. Take the screenshot so that you can do your work in your copy. Please take a screenshot. Okay, now move to next slide. Our next slide is question answer, textual question answer. So the first question is, what did the writer choose to collect? The answer is, the writer chose to collect sliced bread. The teacher said that the writer was brain dead. What did they mean? The teacher said the he was a brain dead. What did they mean? The meaning is that they mean that the writer was extremely foolish. Okay. What did the adults think about the collection? What did the adults think about the collection? What did they say about the collection of author? They say adult thought that there was no magic. The adult thought that there was no magic and happiness in collecting sliced bread. In collecting sliced bread, why would anyone do it, and what they do after collecting the sliced bread? Why would anyone do it, and what they do after collecting the sliced bread? Or the people, the adults and other people said the other. What is the magic in this hobby, and what do you do after that, after the collecting the sliced bread? What is the reason to choosing this hobby? Okay. The next question is, which lines tell you that the writer finds his collection interesting? In which line of the poem tells you that the author likes to find his collection interesting? The line is, it's only me who knows the reason every other hobby does. It's only me who know the reason behind this hobby, like every other hobby does. Okay, that's a line that tell us that author has the interest in collecting the sliced bread. Okay, the question number 5 is, why did the writer collect sliced bread? Why did the writer collect sliced bread? What is the reason? Why did the writer collect the sliced bread? Answer is, his teacher told him that he must have a hobby, so he started collecting sliced bread. Okay, as he loved it so much, his teacher told him that he must have a hobby, so he started collecting the sliced bread. And as he loved it so much, because they're changing their color day by day, in blue, in green, in yellow, okay, in purple. That's why Oda like to save the to collect the sliced bread. He has so much interest in this hobby. So class, move to next slide. Then our next slide is central idea. Okay, what is the central idea? Central idea is the main idea of this poem. Can you tell me? Did you know? I hope you know that the main idea of this poem is that everyone should have a hobby which would keep him busy. Okay, everyone, all of you should have a hobby which you keep busy and active. Okay. Okay, one always chooses a hobby. One always chooses a hobby that he or she loves most and finds joy and happiness in it. Okay, you have to choose a hobby in which you have interest in the thing you love most and you will do in your free times. Okay, class. This is your central idea. That's all for today, class. Please take the screenshot of this central idea. That's why you can do in your work. You can do your work in your copy. Okay, please take the screenshot. Okay, I will move to before slide. I will again show you slide. That's why you can take your screenshot.